wamaPolisa kuZwelonke uNjengele Fannie Masemola ugxininisa ukuzinikela kweNkonzo yesiPolisa yoMzantsi Afrika ekuthinteleni, ekulweni nasekuphandeni ulwaphulo-mthetho. Okuvelana njengoko uxinzelelo luqina kumagunya afanelekileyo ukuba aphendule kwizityholo zokungenelela nobuqhophololo ezijoliswe kumphathiswa wamapolisa uSenzo Mchunu kunye nosekela uMkomishinala wamapolisa uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya ezivela kuMkomishinala wamapolisa kuZwelonke uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Ethetha kundibano nonondaba ngale ntsasa, uMasemola uvakalisa ukuba le meko iyothusa kwaye ifuna ungenelelo olungagongqiyo. Esitsho esithi yena noogxa bakhe bakulungele ukuxoka lo mba xa uMongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ebuya kwingqungquthela ye-BRICS eBrazil. Ngaphaya koko uMasemola uzibophelela ekubuyiseleni uzinzo kunye nobambiswano kwinkonzo yesipolisa yeli kwaye ubongoza onke amagosa ukuba athe gqolo ukwenza umsebenzi wawo nasembindini weziganeko zakutshanje.
Let me unequivocally say the current state of affairs is unprecedented and it is concerning, unfortunately, and requires uncompromised intervention to restore public trust, stability in the organization. We as I-Saps, we acknowledge fully the commitment made by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of South Africa, President Cyril Ramaphosa, who said he will attend to this matter as soon as he arrives into the country. Members of the media, we are ready to brief the President, and as such, the National Commissioner could not have done anything now. We await that we will engage the President as when he called us. But I must also reiterate that as a South African Police Service, we do our work in terms of Section 205(3) of the Constitution, which dictates the objects of the police, which the first one is to prevent, combat, and investigate crime, to maintain public order, to secure the inhabitants of the Republic and their property, and also to uphold and enforce the law. Section 207(2) further says that the National Commissioner shall manage and control the police service in accordance with the national policing policy and the direction of the cabinet member responsible for policing, referring, in this case, my reference refers to the Minister of Police. This means that as the National Commissioner runs the day-to-day management operations of the police, he will adhere to the national policing policy and directives of the Minister of Police. And my understanding of that indicates that the directions will be consistent with Section 205(3) of the Constitution, which I just referred to earlier. I stand before you today not to dwell on divisions, but to forge unity. And I pledge to you, the people of South Africa, and to every dedicated member of the service, that we will strive for unity in the police service. Together we will make sure that neither internal nor external forces fracture the unity of South African police service. It is on that score that I call upon members of the police service, the men and women in blue, to stay together, stay on course, do your work, protect the South Africans as you are called upon in terms of the Constitution, and focus on doing your work, while matters that have come to light will be attended.